Trey was like, I want one of them. Okay, so you know.
Sweater from Target.
You get the real
Pants from
deal.
Amazon. Shoes from Zara.
Wait, they don't see all of them.
You get the real cocktail.
Yeah. I
that's a real
kind of knew you were lying, but I believe you a little bit too much. Metropolitan.
Yeah, definitely.
Really even see my shoes. Did I get a high enough? Shoes from TJ Maxx. Bracelet from my grandma. Earrings from
Egg rolls.
that store in the mall that by Starbucks. Other earrings from TJ Maxx. Your turn,
Oh,
Amber.
put together a whole meal.
Fit check.
I just got on a coat.
Yeah, from where?
The store.
Where's the shoes and the pants from?
Shoes from
What? Pants?
Nails by Me.
Oh my god.
Face by God. Purses to wear.
Ma, you ready for your fit?
You guys get a picture.
No, where'd you get it from?
I was like,
Oh, it's about 6:44.
popping my collar.
Where'd you get it from?
I got my blazer from H&M.
Okay.
My jumpsuit from TJ Maxx.
Okay.
And my shoes from Zara.
Okay. What about you, Dad?
Earrings.
Oh, earrings? Oh, okay, okay.
I don't remember.
Oh, okay.
And anything else?
Where'd you get? Okay, go ahead.
I don't know
Got
where
his
I
blazer from Macy's.
Macy's.
His shirt from Macy's. His pants from Macy's. And his shoes from Saks. Wait, I figured it out.
Okay.
The jumpsuit's from Target.
Okay. Papa, where'd you get your outfit from?
Out of my closet.
That was the best answer.
No, from what store?
Let's see. I got my coat from Macy's.
Okay.
I got this from Marshall.
Okay.
I got my pants and my shoes from some store. I don't know.
All right. Hello, amazing, talentedly beautiful people. Winter. God. Today is the photo shoot in Columbia, and then a music video shoot. A busy day for me. I'm catching the 152 train, so I'm actually going to take a nice bath, a nice little soak, and then I'm going to film something downstairs. And then by that time, I should be ready to go. I have plenty of Starbucks gift card money, so I'm going to get Starbucks and then catch the train. Like I said, this is the book bag setup that we got. Well, that's what I'm wearing. Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. This is my book bag here. That's the hoodie I'm wearing. I'm wearing my Black Creativity hoodie that I got from the museum, because why not? I slept in today. Went to sleep really freaking early, and then I woke up at 8 feeling energized and everything. I'm going to eat something at 10, because I don't eat till 10 o'clock. But I'm going to eat breakfast. I'm going to eat something light. Well, no, actually, I'm going to eat something a little heavy, and then I'm going to Starbucks. I'm going to get maybe a drink and a breakfast. Well, obviously a drink, but maybe a breakfast sandwich. You never know. But, yeah, I'm just ending it up. And don't forget, this will also be kind of like a point of view type thing, because I have it attached to my book bag. It'll just be fun. This will be a fun little creative little video. So, yeah. All right. Bye. Okay, so just letting you guys know that I did do the shoot. I did not record the shoot because I don't know, I honestly forgot. So I'm going to show you guys some cool pictures that I took from the shoot. But then I also, after that, I didn't know that the shoot was going to be that short. It didn't take us as long as we thought it was going to. So then I met up with my friends. Like we met at their dorm, and then we went to Target, and then I caught Uber, and then I caught the train. And I'm gonna explain to y'all how I literally almost missed the train on the way back, which would have been horrible if I did, because I had another shoot that I had to get to. Good thing I didn't, but you'll see that clip in a minute. I actually think that's one of the first clips that you'll see. But yeah, here's some of the pictures. I'm not going to show you too much because I'm going to do a post on my production account. But yeah, just know that I almost missed my train. Successful. It was very chill, very laid back. I cannot wait to go home. It's only 5:16. I have to pee, but it's fine because I'm gonna go to sleep on the train. God.
That's taking fitness and roll through a whole other life.